I've been having a lot of problem with my camera. It was raining earlier, but now it's much nicer out there. Sun's out. Maybe it's time to bring her out. But for now, I need to go work out. I need to stay fit. Yeah. Let's get her out. Let's see how many kick it would take. Without any throttle, it's been sitting for a few weeks. Quite a lot, actually. Let's see here. Button, chokes on, gas is on. Let's see here. With the choke off, it actually idles. Nice. We're gonna let her warm up real quick, and we're gonna take her out to give her some rev and see how it sounds. But this is how she's sounding at idle. Let's take her next door where I have a little bit more space to rev her out. I'll be back. All right, we made it. We're out at sea. Okay, not quite, but she's quite warmed up, I believe. Let's give her some revs. So I believe that kicked out a few crap in there. Oh, definitely carbon. So that was nice. So now it should be revving real good. Definitely have a different tone with whatever you want to call either side here. So I'll do that again for you here. All right, that's it. We are done. So now I'm going to give you a quick look to show you what I did. Now this side is the stock side. And all I did was I angled it up. Stock stinger. And the expansion chamber is all stock. Since I got it, never open it up. And then out here, I'm going to show you what I will do in the future, which I haven't done yet. You see that? It's just welded into the expansion chamber. So I'm going to do like what I did on my other bike, on my Cafe. And then I just angled it out. And it fits perfectly. I was going to make a mount here, but you know what? I don't even think I need it. So strong. And the reason being is on these TZM, the exhaust on the top here, let me see if I could get you, there we go. See the pipe? It's actually, that chamber is actually mounted midway. It actually has a mount. Okay? So that's all I did. It works really well, and you can tell. And you could hear it earlier. Sounds real good. All right, it's a beautiful day out here. I'm gonna enjoy the sun, man. You know what? I'm gonna enjoy it right now. Oh, I got a nice breeze out. Chill for a minute. Happy Saturday, everybody. See ya.